Good afternoon all. In today's video of web technology, I will discuss continuing topic frame. In last video, I had discussed frame set tag for making any frame. I had also discussed the definition and attributes of frame set tag. Also, how to write values in frame set tag. Now I will discuss second tag in frames in HTML. The name of second tag is frame tag. Okay. First we will use frame set tag, and one more thing I had told, there is no need of body tag here in frames. Okay, so first tag is frame set tag, second tag is frame tag. Let's see the definition. The frame tag is defined within the frame set tag. आपको frame set के अंदर ही लगाना है frame tag. This tag is used to specify what actually appears within a particular frame. Okay, why do we write frames? Why do we use frame tag? It is used for writing something inside the frame boundary, because frame set tag is used for making the outer boundary of the frame, and frame tag is used for inserting any data and what you want to actually show in your particular frame. For that, frame tag is used. Syntax: frame set on, then attributes rows or calls. Frame set rows or calls is equal to inverted commas dash dash. As these are only integer numbers, so there is no need of inverted commas. Frame set rows or calls is equal to dash dash frame then frame tag on frame, then attributes of frame will be there. Frame src is used for frame source. Source means location कहाँ से आ रही है. So frame src is equal to value inverted commas name is equal to value. Scrolling, you can give any scroll bar. For that, scrolling is equal to value inverted commas margin width is equal to value, margin height is equal to value. There are no spaces between margin width and margin height. So these are the attributes of frame tag. Afterward, frame tag off, frame set tag off. Now let's see the description of attributes of frame tag. There are following attributes as src. This attribute determines the location. src means source, location or URL. URL stands for uniform resource locator. Uniform resource locator, source or location of the web page, which has to be displayed in frame window. It is very important attribute for every frame. In frame tag, we definitely will have to use src attribute, because without this attribute we will be unable to insert any page in frame. Okay, src means location देना है आपने. Name, this is not very important attribute. You can, if you don't want, you cannot give name, because names will be used only in the case if you are using any web development language with web designing. As I told, HTML is only web designing, not a web language. So if you use Java, PHP, .NET and any other web developing language, then name attribute will add in with the coding of that language. So here name, it will just show a name, but it will not be shown on your web page. So this is not mandatory attribute. This attribute gives just a name. It can be any string. Scrolling, you can definitely use this. It is used for scroll bar. This attribute specifies if window can have scroll bar or not. The possible value can be yes, no or auto. Yes लगाएंगे so definitely show होगा, no लगाएंगे तो नहीं show होगा. Auto लगाएंगे so by default अगर set होगा scroll bar then show, if not set then not show. Margin width, margin height. Width is always this attribute sets the left and right margin. Width हमेशा क्या set करती है? लेफ्ट एंड राइट मार्जिन. मार्जिन विथ मीन्स लेफ्ट एंड राइट मार्जिन. आप लेफ्ट एंड राइट मार्जिन पे कितना स्पेस छोड़ना है आपने इन फ्रेम, यू कैन डू with the help of margin width attribute. Sets the left and right margin in the frame in picture element. The possible value can be any number. Similarly, margin height, it will be opposite of left and right. It means top and bottom. So this attribute sets the top and bottom margin in the frame in pixel. The possible value can be any number. Let's see example. HTML on, head on, title off, head off. Okay, this is common. Now body will not be used here, so frame set on. Then take any attribute of frame set which I told yesterday in yesterday's video, either row or column calls. So here we have taken calls, means आपका वर्टिकल बन जाएगा फॉर्म फ्रेम 30% 70%. Okay, means 2 frames will be there. Now insert data with the help of frame tag. Frame src is equal to give any page name or address a1.html. So you must have made a1 page a1.html. आपके पास होना चाहिए, only it can then be inserted, otherwise it will be blank if you are not having the same name page number. Frame src is equal to any location, name is equal to any name, scrolling is equal to any value, yes no auto, margin width any number, margin height any number, frame off. Then it is for 30% area, frame first frame is for 30% area. Next for 70% it will be something longer frame than 31st frame. So again second frame src is equal to give another page name as we have given here a2.html, but you must have a2.html page, otherwise it will show as blank. So frame src is equal to any name, any address, name is equal to any name, scrolling is equal to any value, margin height, margin width any number. Afterward of frame tag, of frame set tag, then finally html off. Now you must have made pages for a1.html, a2.html. So there is no need to use frame tag in these pages. A1 में आप पेज A1 जो पेज है you can make it simple page. A2 you can also make it simple page, but they must be related with each other. Otherwise there is no need of showing two things with each other if they are not related. So here we have created different pages, yes, but you must have same pages. You can take the example html on, head on, title off, head off. Here we can use body because it is a simple web page, not a frame page. Body, then use h1 heading, as we know heading simple page. You can give the example, take the example of scms. You can write scms in place of hello world, then body of html of. Second a2.html, second page you can make html head, title on, title off, head off, body on. Then here we have taken the list of courses in unordered list. I have already taught you unordered list, ul tag, li, bba, bca, pgdca, b.ed, m.ed. So here we have taken the example of our college, Springdale College of Management Studies, SCMS. So in a1.html you can write h1 close, in that, inside that you can write Springdale College of Management Study, and second page you can make the list of courses of our college. Okay, after that ul off, don't off it twice, just off it once. Here correct it, ul off once, then body of html off. So this is the method for inserting a page in a frame with the help of frame src, and outer is made with the help of frame set tag. Okay, so these are second tag with attributes of second tag, also with the example and total pages, and those you are inserting. If you have made 3 pages, 3 partitions, then you will have to make a1, a2, a3 also. You can give the name change, you can also change the name, you can give any name, but it must be same as you have written in frame src is equal to value. Okay, just do it properly, otherwise there will be error or it will show as a blank. Okay everyone, thank you for listening.